Hello and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the VLookup and HLookup functions in Excel. So let's get started. As you can see, we have some sample data here. I've got some names, marks obtained, and the graduation year. And we're going to use the VLookup function to find out the marks obtained for some of these students over here. So let's start the formula here. So the way it works is we'll type, every formula starts with equals, so we'll go for VLookup bracket, and then we've got some values in here. So first thing, we're looking for Kevin, and then comma, and then the next thing is the table array, which means that we need to select the table where we're looking for that particular information. So we're just going to select all of the table, then comma, and then the next thing is the column index number. So this is the first column, this one is second, this is the third one. We're looking for the marks obtained, which is in the second column. So we'll just type 2, comma. The last thing is if we're looking for an exact match or an approximate match. In this scenario, we're looking for an exact match for Kevin. So we'll type in false, bracket close, and then press enter. And here you can see it has given us the marks for Kevin, which is 903. Now, if I want to find out the graduation year for Kevin, I just need to make a small adjustment in the formula, which is instead of looking for the value in the second column, we'll now be looking for the value in the third column. So we'll just change this to 3, press enter, and as you can see, Kevin has graduated in 2005. So there's your value. Now let's go back one step. So we have our marks obtained. If we drag down the formula, so we can find out the rest of the values here. As you can see, we have the marks for everyone except for Stephen. Now the problem with this is that we don't have an exact match for Stephen here. However, we do have Steve, which is a close match. So in VLookup or HLookup, there are a couple of options. First is if we're looking for an exact match, or if we're looking for an approximate match. So in this formula, we had used the false option because we're looking for an exact match. If we make this, change this to true, then press enter, and now you can see that it has changed to 829, which is the marks for Steve, because Steve is a close match to Stephen. So this is how you can use the VLookup. Next thing we're going to look at is going to be HLookup. Let's remove these values. So for HLookup means the values are required to be in horizontal way. So we're just going to take this table here, copy, and then we're going to go to paste special, and then we just need to transpose it, but first we need to select where we want to paste. So we'll go back to paste special and then transpose, and then press OK, and now we have all the data in the horizontal way. And then we're just going to take this and make this horizontal as well. Go to, pasting it here, so paste special, transpose, okay, and then we have the data in horizontal way right now. So we're just going to apply the HLookup function here, which is equals HLookup bracket, and then we're looking for Kevin again, comma, and then this is our table where we're looking for the values. Okay, and the next thing is the row index number. In VLookup, it would be a column index number, and for HLookup, because the data is in horizontal way, we will be looking for the row index number. So in this scenario, name 1, this is the first row, this is second, and this is third, and we're looking for the marks, so we'll go for the second row, and we're looking for an exact match again, so it will be false, bracket close, and there you go, we have the same numbers for Kevin again. And if we drag it around, we have the numbers for the rest of them as well. So this is how the VLookup and HLookup function works. Hope you've liked the video today and you've learned something useful. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it now. It really helps us bring more interesting content for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.